Hi everyone, it's the River Hunter. So today I'm back out at my local river. I actually today gonna hunt a rafting area that I haven't done the whole year since we had high water level, and the first of the year wasn't that really good weather that a lot of people went out rafting. So I decided to wait a little bit, and then I had to wait because of high water level. Now I'm finally here. I have no idea what to expect because actually there was not a lot of rafting going on due to bad weather and the water level, but still maybe that washed down some stuff that people lost previously, like last year or years before. I have no idea. So I'm pretty excited how it's gonna look like and what I can find. So wish me luck and see you at the end. I just untangled that raft from this wood. It's completely broken, but I don't want it to go underwater, so I'll try to carry it out right there somewhere. It's actually pretty big. I found the chair. I don't know how I found the chair, but I found the chair. Let's put that over here. Also, I found the towel just a second ago. Put that together right there. 2 rafts, a chair. That's all the trash that I pulled out today. Alright, I see a phone. It's stuck in the woods here, and the current is pretty strong, so it's a little bit tricky, but I'm gonna give it a try to get it out. I believe it's a Samsung because it had like a long camera, but I don't know. Let's go check it out. Wish me luck. Oh, it's cold. It's a Samsung. It's pretty beat up too. Whew. I believe it's a 10. 10 max, 10, I have no idea. Well, yeah, that's been in there for a while. Here's the bra from the last video. Sperados. Alright, this is part 2. It's actually the next day. I haven't found much yesterday, as you saw. Besides that Samsung phone, I just pulled out a lot of trash, but haven't really found too much things to do a wrap up, so maybe I'm lucky today. I'll see you at the end.
So at this point, I just spotted the ring, but the thing that I didn't see was the black part just right below the ring is actually a piece of glass. And I went down, grabbed it, but the current was so strong it pushed me right away. And what I didn't realize is that that piece of glass just cut through my gloves right in my finger and got a pretty deep scar. So I stopped, taped my finger, went back in with a wooden stick, and tried to get it out without having to hold myself on the bottom.
I just found a phone. Let's go check it out. Looks like an iPhone. Well, yeah, what's left of it? Oh, it's completely falling apart. That might have been an XR because there's the flash right below where the camera should be, and the size would match as well. I think it's an XR, but there's no telling. Tiny little Samsung. Funny. I found a ring, I guess. Let's go check it out. Got another ring. Not too sure if it's actually a ring, but yeah, whatever. Now it's interesting. Check this out. I believe it's a silver chain, but I'm not 100% sure. I hope it is.
Alright, let's go to the wrap up. I found that victim of probably the high water level that we have. It's a Samsung 10, 10 Max, 10 Pro, Pro Max XL, I have no idea. But it's, yeah, as you can tell, it had the battery still inside. I ripped that out to throw away because it's safe to take them out. You don't know if they inflate or explode or catch fire or whatever. You don't want that to happen, so I always take the batteries out, also right here. So that was the day, the first find of that day, actually, along with some sunglasses. I didn't took the footage of it when I found them. I just grabbed them. There is a Lacoste. I like that pretty much, but as usual, it's completely scratched up. That lens is even broken right here. Also a victim of the current was that probably iPhone XR. I believe it's an XR because like it has the flash just below the camera. So yeah. The thing is, when you lose a phone in that river, even if the current is not on high water level, it's just the usual water level, it get covered with rocks after a couple of days, and it's gonna sit down there and be crashed with all the stones and move with the current, and after a half a year or maybe a year, it get washed on like that somewhere further downriver. So you have to be quick if you want to get it back in working condition, unless it's somewhere close to the edge. They sometimes survive and look like that then. That was also actually the last phone that I found that day. It's as well an iPhone XR. Also found that Samsung phone right here. It's pretty old. And got lucky with some coins right here. I believe it's like $2 or $3. Then I found a lot of jewelry that day. I got lucky with some silver. First, that was the first find of the second day actually. And it's a 925 silver ring. Looks pretty old. I wonder if it's been there the years before because it doesn't look like a recent drop. But I checked the area the years before and I never found it, so I don't know. I cut my finger where I tried to grab it. I don't know if you can still see that. And then I got also lucky with some more silver. There's one silver ring right here, which also looks pretty old. Also, I found that in a place where I often check, and I never found it before. I don't know, it was sitting there, so that was cool. And then further downriver, I also found this one, which is silver, just next to that phone almost. It was like 2 or 3 feet apart. That's 9252, so pretty happy with those 3 silver rings. Also, I got this silver earring. There you can see 925. It's an ugly design, but still, it's a silver earring. And then the best find, or one of the best finds, must have been that chain. You people on Instagram like that pretty much. It's an old coin, I believe. I don't know if it's an original old coin or not, but it's 925 silver stamped, and the chain, it broke off somewhere up here. It's just a part, and also up here there's a 925 silver stamp somewhere. Just not gonna go and try again to focus on it because my camera is just not working with that light pretty well. But that's a pretty cool find. So that's all the silver that I found that day. I also found that small ring, but I don't believe it's even a ring or silver or anything. Also, you people on Instagram like that pretty much too. It's an old pocket watch with a blue stone on top, and yeah, it's just gold plated. It's not actual gold. It also was waterlogged, so it's just nothing too special, but actually a unique find to find in the river. And we got a little junk ring, which I thought it's gold when I found it, but it's just trash. Also trash is that bracelet, sadly. That would be cool if it's silver, but it has a good weight, but it's just like the color is just plated and comes off everywhere. And then this one, I hoped this would be silver and gold, but it's just stainless steel, and also it's broken right here. Yeah, that's sad, but still cool to find a lot of jewelry, even if this is junk. I got lucky with a lot of good jewelry too. So I hope you liked that video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.